Once upon a time, there was a little yellow train. Its name was Tiku. Its red wheels spun happily every day, and smoke puffed out from the chimney like little clouds in the sky. Every morning, Tiku traveled from one station to another. But one day, Tiku thought, "Today I will not just carry passengers. Today I will go on a big adventure." First, Tiku arrived at a beautiful flower garden. Red, yellow, and blue flowers smiled at him. "Hello, Tiku. Where are you going?" they asked. Tiku cheerfully replied, "I'm going to the faraway mountains to make new friends." Then, Tiku rode into a green forest. Birds were singing, and the trees were dancing in the wind. Suddenly, a little squirrel came running and said, "Tiku, can you take me to school?" Tiku laughed and said, "Of course. Hop on." The squirrel rode happily and soon reached the school. As Tiku went further, he saw a wide river ahead. "Oh no," Tiku worried. "How will I cross this river?" Just then, a bluebird flew above and said, "Don't be afraid, Tiku. There's a bridge nearby. Cross it, and you'll be safe." Tiku followed the advice and happily crossed the bridge. Finally, Tiku reached the tall mountains. The peaks were covered with clouds, and the view was so beautiful. There, he found many other little trains. They all sang together joyfully. "Come along, let's be friends. Happiness never ends." Tiku realized the greatest joy is making friends. Flowers, the squirrel, the bird, and the other trains all became his friends. From that day on, Tiku didn't just carry passengers. He carried smiles, laughter, and stories wherever he went. At the end of the day, Tiku blew his whistle. Woo woo! The adventure has ended, but the friendship has just begun.